Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. Yeah, wow. Just kidding, this isn't that surprising. I actually only uploaded like a couple of days ago. But FNAF Part 2 will be coming out soon, promise. Pinky promise. Yeah, but anyways, this is going to be the start of a new series called C++ Tutorials. Mint, I know, best name. But anyways, so this is just going to be the first episode. It's going to be over how to install C++ and get its compilers running and stuff. So I'm going to go into this assuming that you have a somewhat basic knowledge of coding. Like you've done like a little bit, didn't really stick with it, but you just decided that you want to learn again and decided to choose C++ and found this. So yeah, we're just going to start. Yeah. Okay, so first what we're going to need is a text editor. So we're going to want to go into here and you're going to want to go to Cook Academy. You're going to want to go to sublimetext.com. All the links will be in the description, don't worry. So you just want to go to sublimetext.com and then download for Windows, and then you have Sublime Text installed. I'm not going to actually install these because I already have them, as you can see. But yeah, so then after you installed it and all, what you're going to want to do is go over to here, which will also be in the description, and then click on download. It'll download it, and here it is right here. Again, I'm not going to actually go through the process of installing it. I'll go through like half of it, but just anyways. Just so if it says this needs to make changes and stuff, click yes. Just next, install. I'm going to cancel right here. But anyways, you install it and then it's done. Now for MingW, with MinGW, it's gonna have our compiler, which I'm going to assume that you're going in with some knowledge of coding, and so I'm not going to go into the depth of what a compiler is, but basically just what it is it's what turns the coding into computer language binary. So yeah, just want to open it on up. Again, click yes if it says user account controls and stuff. Next, yeah, all that. Alright, sorry about that. My screen cut out for some reason, but yeah, you just do all the installing and stuff. And then okay. Actually, before I go into the next part, what you're going to want to do, you want to remember this place. You want to remember this. You want to remember this file location because you're going to need it in a little bit. But you do all the installations and stuff, and then you're good. You're set. Sorry, hit my microphone. You have all your stuff installed. But now, after that, so this is where it gets slightly confusing. All right, not really that confusing, but still, what you're gonna want to search up is edit. I have a mess. Edit the system environment variables. You want to go there and then just open it up. Now under this tab, what you're going to want to do, you're probably going to start here, but you're going to want to go to advanced, and then in the bottom right corner, you're going to see environment variables. Click on that, and so now we have these system variables down here. At least I'm pretty sure it's these ones. Wait, hold on. Alright, sorry about that. Again, this is just kind of a part that I don't want to remember, but is do the same stuff. You go to advanced environment variables, but then what you're going to want to do when you get to here, you see this path. What you want to do is click on it and then click on edit. And then you're going to be here. So for me, as you can see, I already have this, but this is why I need the file location. For most people, it'll just automatically be under this PC, local disk, program files, and then in the M's Ming GW. That yeah. Yeah. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to get to that file location. You're gonna want to click on the Ming W32 after you get into here, and then click bin, and then boom. Okay, you're where you want to be. You're good. Doing good so far, assuming that you've done everything correctly. Now you're gonna see these, and these are all just a bunch of compilers. That is why we installed Ming W32. But now what we're gonna want to do, very easy. All that we're gonna want to do is just click on here, Control C. That'll paste it. That'll copy it. Sorry, and then yeah. So you want to go to here, make sure this is all highlighted. Control C, and then go back to the system properties. What you're gonna want to do is click on New, and then paste it into there. Sorry, you're just gonna want to paste it into there, and then click off, press OK. I already have it there, so I'm naturally enough not gonna actually add it. But click Enter, then click OK, and then in here, the Apply button should already be grayed out. It should have saved the changes automatically. But if it didn't, click Apply, then click OK. Boom, you have your compiler set up. So now what you are going to want to do is open up your Sublime text, or just whatever text editor you're using. And then what you're going to want to do is you do not want to open up your Sublime text editor, your Sublime text. It doesn't matter whether or not you do or don't. It just doesn't really matter. So another reason why we needed this is because, we just need a regular command prompt. So you just want to press Windows R, or you want to press either Windows R and type in CMD and then enter, and then it'll open up a command prompt. Or you want to go to your search and then type in CMD and you'll get a command prompt. But we're here now. So what do we want to do? Well, the compiler in the folder we're going to be using is G++. It's just the pilot we're going to be using. So you're going to want to open up this, have this open, type in G++. Alright, so you might be scared if when you see this, when you see fatal error. But don't worry, that's what we want to happen. If anything pops up that says G++ isn't a recognized command, then, well, you're good. You have it installed properly. Yeah. If it doesn't and it says, oh, G++ is a recognized command or something, what you want to do is just make sure you've been following along everything correctly, and yeah, you're good. You're set. Yeah. So this is kind of just useless now, so we don't really need it. Anyways, but now we have it here. Right. Yeah. So what I recommend doing is, this is just kind of what I recommend doing, but I recommend going to where is it? View sidebar, and then open sidebar, because then you have all these, and then this is like just a regular one I have. There's no reason I have it, I just do. But yeah, so what you're gonna want to do is create a new file. I'm just gonna create a new one in the C++ tutorial. And yeah, now again, just a thing I recommend doing is going to where is it again? I don't know. Where is it? Sorry. Syntax. You're gonna want to go view syntax. View syntax, thank you, and then do C++, because then it'll recognize all of your stuff. So we have our file open. Right, that's cool. That's cool and all. But what do we do here now? We just and then run it? No, don't do that. That's not going to work. Okay, what you're going to want to do is hashtag include, and less than greater than signs, IO stream. This is just something that's required for C++ to run. After that, what you are going to want to do is do using namespace std, and then put a semicolon. So I don't remember what this one is. I don't remember it. But anyways, now you're here. You're going to want to do, after you have all these here, what you want to do is want to do int main, and sorry about all this. So you just want to do int main, and then it should have, sorry, actually, it should have all this. You should have all this here. So you're here now. What do we do? What do we do? So what you want to do to get your first? This is just going to be a basic hello world. We're going to want to do C out less than, I'm pretty sure, and then double brackets hello world world, and then that. Okay, sorry, after proofreading my code I realized I messed up. What I actually want to do is these ones. That's the one that you want to do, but other than that, you have all your stuff there. Nice. Again, pretty cool. So now what you're going to just want to do is Control S just to save, and then choose your folder. I'm obviously going to be doing it in my tutorial folder. How do you spell tutorial? I forgot how you spell tutorial. Dang. Yeah. So you have this here. You save it, and then yeah, you have your file. Nice. That's pretty cool and all. But now what you're probably gonna want to run your file. I'd be surprised if you didn't while you're watching this then. What you're gonna want to do to run your file. To run your file, what you're gonna want to do is go to here, type in cmd, and then enter. This will open up a command prompt in this directory with all these files. So now what you're going to want to do, I'm pretty sure I remember this. I can never remember this for some reason, but you're going to want to type to compile our code, since we haven't done that yet. What you're going to want to do is type in -o. This means dash output, and then g++ is a compiler. Then what you're going to want to do is just whatever you want the exe to be called. I'm just going to do run. So yeah, and then I'm pretty sure all you have to do here now is do what you saved your file as plus the .cpp at the end. If you didn't see a cpp here, what you're going to want to do is go to view and then show. I'm pretty sure. Wait, I'm on Windows 11. I don't remember. So file name extensions. Yes, you're gonna want to have this selected. If I deselect it, you see here it's not there anymore. But I go back, do that, it's there, and yeah, that's good. So now what you're gonna want to do is, okay, I did something wrong. Wait, be right back. Again, I can never. I'm sorry. For some reason, I thought it was. You had to put just a PP. No, you gotta put ++. You gotta put the actual sign. But other than that, now it should be working. You press enter. Sorry, wait. I'm not good with it. You press enter. It takes a little bit. And then just, if a new line shows up, don't worry. You're all set. You're good. You did everything correctly. Good job. High five. Nah. So yeah, you're here now. That's pretty cool and all. But now what you're going to want to do, you can stay in this. You can stay in here, in this command prompt. Just all you're going to want to do now is just whatever you named it up here before the tutorial.cpp, before your code file's name. This whatever you named it as, you're just going to want to type in run. And then, as you can see, or what I did run, just whatever you named it as. And I did that, and as you can see here, it printed hello world. Good job. You made your first file. That's pretty cool. Not file. Program. Good job. Very nice. So that's really just it for this episode, going through the setup and how to compile and how to make your first program and all that. So yeah, if you liked it, please subscribe. That would be very nicely appreciated. Love it. Thank you very much. That's only if you really liked it. If you just liked it, well then feel free to like it. Press the little thumbs up button. That'd be pretty cool. But if you liked it like a lot, click the subscribe button. That'd be really nice and appreciated and cool. Yeah. That was it. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.